Like I told you that we shall be sharing whatever will be happening on the farm, so that you can know how far you have gone and learn about poultry farming. Right now as I talk, there is outbreak of infectious coryza on my local chicken farm, which I have not been showing you on the channel. You can see infectious coryza with signs like swollen eyes. You see, swollen eye. You see how the eye is swollen. So what I did immediately after identifying that they are suspected to be having infectious coryza, I decided to isolate them from the rest, because I don't want other chicken to be affected and I make a loss. This is terrible to find that the first time to share with you about local chicken on my farm is that they are sick. It was yesterday in the morning when I identified 3 chicken with signs of infectious coryza, like swollen eyes, as I showed you. But out of the 70 birds I have on my farm, only 3 chicken showed the signs of infectious coryza, the dangerous disease which can lead to death of birds if not treated. I went to the agrovent and got a vaccine and vaccinated all my 70 birds. Now it is 2 days after I isolated the 3 birds, but now I'm seeing some changes where the other birds have not yet shown signs, but still the three birds are getting well. They are promising. I thank God for that. Taking care of them. Guys, that's the update I had for you on my local chicken farm. Otherwise, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash the notification bell so that you never miss any upload. Otherwise, we meet in the next upload. Bye bye.